Welcome to Rough Riders. I'm Jay, and today we are looking at a RV cover for our new Soul Dusk. Spent a lot of time trying to find a good cover, and the reviews were just all over the place. And I looked at probably 15 different covers, and I saw everything from 1-star reviews to 5-star reviews on some of these covers. And you know, it's a mixed bag. Some people are saying these things are great, other people are saying this same cover lasted 6 months before it ripped and fell apart. So you know, I think I'm taking a little bit of a gamble with this one. This one had a bunch of good reviews, but by a bunch I'm only saying it's about a dozen. So you know, it's probably a gamble as to how good this cover is. But let's take a closer look at it. Let me show you kind of the material and all of that kind of thing that it's made of. I'll get you the specs on that, and then we'll put it on the trailer and see how it does. So here's the cover. It's this kind of woven material. It's somewhat waterproof. It's similar to the same material that I had on my S2000 for a number of years. That held up pretty well. So I'm hoping this one does the same. It comes with a storage bag for when you're not using it. It has some rain gutter guards with you know, some sort of foam inside there to kind of protect it from poking through and all of that. It has a tongue jack cover that comes with it, same material, and it's pretty thick material. I believe it's supposed to be 900D, but let me look up the specs. Comes with a number of buckles and all of that, and 2 long straps for it as well. It's also got a number of vents, but like I said, let me get you all the specs on that as I pull up the page. Okay, the cover is from a company called Hahasole, H-A-H-A-S-O-L-E. It's probably some sort of Chinese brand thing, so how long this thing's gonna last, I don't know. I didn't pay a whole lot for it, so you know, if it lasts me a couple years, great. If it doesn't, well, then that's on me, but we'll find out. But as I said, it's kind of the similar material that I had on my S2000, which lasted me several years, so I was really pleased with that one. That was from Covercraft, but they don't make RV covers. So I went ahead and got this one. The specs on this thing are, let me get you those right now. So it's an 900 denier, 900D Oxford material, so it's kind of soft and waterproof. It's got a single roof, so there's not any seams on the roof, which is good. The sides are a 7-layer non-woven fabric, so I think it's going to be more like the tent material, but we'll find out as we get it opened up and put on. It comes with let's see, what else does it come with? It comes with 4 tire covers, 6 rain gutter sleeves. It comes with an assortment of buckles, which you saw, some straps and all of that. It has the tongue jack as well, right here. Cover as well, the carrying bag, and a patch kit. So that's everything that comes with it. Let's get this thing on the trailer and see how it fits. Now this trailer, as I said before, it's the Soul Dusk. It's 20 feet 8 inches from very tip to very tail, so it's about 19 and a half or so for the cab, and that's what you measure. Okay, so I had it backwards. This softer stuff is the side material, and the top is a more rugged. It's not canvas, but it's some sort of poly blend, you know, woven material. So I think this is what's going to be you know, waterproof. I think this is probably going to be water resistant. But you know, let's get it on the trailer and see how it fits. It is all one piece of fabric along the roof line. Well, no, it's not. Okay, we got seams here and stuff as well. So we do have a number of seams on the roof, and then right there, but they're pretty large. All the seams are double stitched. I don't know if they're glued or not, but I mean, overall, it seems like it's a pretty good material. Like I said, this stuff is like 900D, which is thicker than all the other covers I saw. So hopefully that'll give it extra durability. So here it is with all the straps snug and tight. It's a pretty good fit. You know, it's not a custom fit, you know, for this trailer, but, you know, other than that, you know, it looks like it's pretty snug. They give you plenty of anchor cables. We had to go over the fender here because we got sharp points down here on the fender that would eat through the fabric, so we opted to go over the wheel until we figure out a solution for that. We're going to look at pool noodles or something for that, but it snugs up pretty well. Obviously it's very wrinkly since it just came out of the package. The side looks pretty good as well. We did the same thing here on this side. And they give you, like I said, a bunch of anchor points. They got 2 on the front, 2 on the back to cinch it sideways or horizontally. And then you get, for this, it worked out really well. There's one right in front of the wheel and one behind the wheel. So it fits really well right there. So that's what it looks like when it's installed on the RV. So overall, I'm fairly impressed with the quality of this cover. It was $189, I think, and then I got like a $40 discount, so I got it for about 140, 150 bucks, something like that. Yeah, this material here is really soft, so it won't scratch up the sides. This is the roof material is really thick, so hopefully that'll give us some real durability out of it. It fits pretty well, a lot of anchor points, so if it gets windy and stuff like that, that shouldn't be, hopefully it wouldn't be a problem. It's a little baggy over here. Down here it's a little baggy, so that could end up, you know, sucking up a little bit of wind and billowing out or something like that, but it's anchored underneath, so it shouldn't go anywhere. So, you know, overall, I think it's, you know, it was certainly a reasonable price for a cover, but we'll see how it holds up over time. But there you go, there's a look at the HaHa Soul RV cover. And if you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll get to those as quickly as I can. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Rough Riders.